Hello students, now let us see regarding the safety at school. In the school too you need to be very safe, keep yourself safe and others also safe, right? See here, running up and down a staircase is dangerous. You need to go slowly up and down and not to push others. Do not push anyone on the stairs. Always form a line before you come down in the on the staircase. Otherwise what will happen, you will be able to go properly nor others will be able to go uh, correctly, and you may dash into somebody and some small accident may take place there. So you have to be very careful while climbing up and down the staircase. Classrooms are not for running and playing. Remember, classrooms are meant only for studying purpose and activity purpose and projects. The corners of desk are sharp enough. What, see that this is the desk over here. The student is standing on the desk and they are jumping and playing on the desk. The corners are sharp enough, so you need to be very careful, so do not climb on the desks. So corners of the desk are sharp and can hurt you badly, and many times you go and fall on that, and some children know actually they have got hurt. That's why you need to be very careful. They have got hurt and they have got wounded also, so you have to be very careful. Climbing on the desk and playing inside the classroom can cause accidents. Even the benches also may break and damage, but you have to take care of yourself also. See, the school the desk and all are the school property, means your property, so you need to take care of the all the things in the classroom and the school also. It is your duty, isn't it? Do not run in the corridors. So when you are out during the recess or before and after the school, you should not run in the corridors, because corridors are meant for walking, not for running around. You may accidentally bump into something and you may end up falling over there, and the others or you may get hurt, isn't it? So here, see the picture here. While lighting the firecrackers, you should be able to crack only in the presence of an adult. And here, so you should not play with the plug points. See, electric plug points are given here, the switchboard is given. You should not try to put up the plug pin and all yourself. You have to be very careful, right? And here the children are seen playing in the classroom, so this is also wrong, isn't it?